Ever wondered how to tame the beast that is Microsoft Excel? Fear no more, for this is Mostly Crazy, your guide through the labyrinth of cells, formulas, and charts. Breathe easy, because today, Excel will become less of a mystery and more of a friend. First things first, what's Excel? Simply put, it's a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. It's a tool used worldwide for tasks like data entry, organization, analysis, and even data visualization. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Excel interface. At the top, there's the ribbon, home to tabs for different functions like home, insert, formulas, and several others. The middle area, that's the worksheet, where all the magic happens. And those tabs at the bottom, they help navigate between different sheets in a workbook. Entering data into Excel is as simple as clicking on a cell and starting to type. Numbers, text, dates, or formulas. Excel can handle it all. Speaking of formulas, Excel thrives on them. Basic formulas can help add up a range of numbers with the sum function, or find the average value with the average function. Remember, formulas start with an equal sign. Formatting cells is all about adding that personal touch. Change the font, size, color, alignment, and more to make the spreadsheet easier to read and understand. Charts bring data to life. Bar charts, pie charts, line graphs. Excel has them all. Select the data and choose the chart type that best represents the information. First and foremost, let's delve into the steps of saving and sharing workbooks in Excel. To save an Excel file, you simply go to the File tab, select Save As, and choose your preferred location, either on your computer or in the cloud via OneDrive. Now, to share your workbooks for collaboration and review, simply head to the Share option in the top right corner, add the email addresses of your collaborators, and hit Send. Truly, Excel makes both saving and sharing workbooks an effortless task. And just like that, Excel doesn't seem so intimidating anymore, does it? This beginner's guide should help pave the way to mastering this powerful tool. Remember to check back here at Mostly Crazy for more tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for tuning in.